Viewers, today latest update about war between Ethiopian National Defense Force and the Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army in Ethiopia. Viewers, according to the sources, heavy fighting is going on Tlalak, shown with a triangle in the map, you can see. And in Zone 5, previous fighting was in Zone 1. It seems Oromo Liberation Army has joined the fight with Tigray Defense Force against Afar. Tlalak brings them close to Djibouti Addis Road and seems no Ethiopian army there. Fierce fighting happening now on a new offensive of Tlalak front that think the Ethio-Djibouti road is near strategically than Sifra and Gersa Gita front. On the other hand, on November 13 of last year, Eritrean forces entered the village of Karhusnai in northwest Tigray and shoot civilians in the streets and in homes, leaving their bodies unburied for 5 days to be eaten by animals. Are these barbaric criminals classified as human beings like us? And viewers, Banishangul Liberation Front. Viewers, Banishangul Liberation Front has said that they are in the region. Banishangul in the near future, they will be full with the refugees said that they have captured a lot of land and freed them from the colonialism of Ethiopia. The Banishangul service occurs in western Ethiopia and is among the 10 administrations under the federal government of Ethiopia, Banishangul. They are originally from Sudan and most of them speak Arabic language. And viewers, according to the latest news is that officials are warning that the American army may enter Ethiopia at any time. Like the American faith, their war may be in two ways. One is the name of peacekeeping, the other is an unlicensed invasion to protect America and its allies. Americans need a decision from the peacekeeping council to get in the name of security guard. Since Russia and China did not agree with this idea in their current stance, Americans must be ready to implement the second option. While the American authorities are trying to get their and their enemies out of Ethiopia, it is not clear which country that are planning to intervene against violence. They are telling us this is the only reason. If Americans are working behind threatening to overthrow Dr. Abiy government and put a puppet government, it is not hard to imagine that the crisis might be more than what they think. Since the military intervention that America has made so far are mostly ended by shameful corruption, Ethiopia's fate will not be different from this. If Americans intervene, it is impossible to say that they won't interfere to support Abiy government like the Russia government did not on Syria. In short, the new propaganda campaign that says the American army may enter Ethiopia may show two things. One thing is that the Americans have finished their preparation to overthrow Abiy government, and the other is that Abiy government is threatening to interfere, not to force him to accept their orders. In my belief, the Ethiopian government is waiting for what is coming by preparing the people clearly or secretly. The government and all the citizens who are concerned about the issues of their country should think about it immediately so that they can understand the danger that is coming and make sufficient physical and physiological preparation. So viewers, latest news is that heavy fighting is going on Tlalag. Heavy fighting is going on Tlalag in Zone 5. Previous fighting was in Zone 1. It seems Oromo Liberation Army has joined the fight with Tigray Defense Force against Afar. Tlalag brings them close to Djibouti Road. Tlalag brings them close to Djibouti Addis Road and seems no Ethiopia army there. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.